Hello, scholars. Welcome to Learning with Miss Andy. Today, we're going to learn about main idea. At the conclusion of this video, you'll be able to answer the question, how do we find the main idea when we read? So what is main idea? The main idea is the most important idea in a passage or paragraph. It's the key point or points of writing and what you as readers take away from something you've read. Follow these steps to find the main idea. First, read the title and any headings you see. This will help you begin to think about what you're about to read. Next, look for repeated words in the paragraph or passage. Listen to the following paragraph. When training a dog, treats are very important. Dogs love to eat yummy snacks. If you give your dog a treat, when they do something right, they'll want to do it again. This is called positive reinforcement. You can use small pieces of cheese, hot dogs, or special dog treats. Remember, don't give your dog too many treats or your dog might get fat. Do you notice how the word treat appears multiple times? Third, look for the illustrations or pictures. These help us understand the text better. Finally, read the first and last sentences in a paragraph or passage. Usually, writers try to emphasize their points in these parts of their writing. Can you guess the main idea? Pause the video to discuss. If you guess that the main idea is treats are used to reward and encourage good behavior in dogs during training, then you're on the right track. Now it's your turn. Let's work together to find the main idea in the following paragraph. Practice makes perfect. Training a dog takes time and patience. You can't expect your dog to learn everything in one day. It's important to practice training every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. The more you practice, the better your dog will get at following commands. Don't get upset if your dog makes mistakes. Just keep trying, and soon your dog will be a pro. First, let's focus our attention on the title, Practice Makes Perfect. Now let's identify words that are repeated. The word practice is included in the title and 2 times in the paragraph. Now let's try to make sense out of what we read with the help of the picture. Finally, let's reread the first and last sentences. Pause the video to discuss what you think the main idea of this paragraph is. Did you say that the main idea was consistent practice is essential to dog training? If you did, you're on your way to becoming main idea pros. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to learn more with Ms. Andy.